I don't look like my friends. We all are different. God made us special and unique. Yeah, we come from different places. We all have different faces. There's no one in the world like me. Just like a rainbow, we are so beautiful. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made by you. And check out this hair on my head. God said each one he counted. I think that means he cares a lot. A lot, lot. And I know it doesn't matter, walking or in a wheelchair. I am his child and I am loved. So I trust him, no matter what. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made by you. God makes no mistakes. Nobody's body is the same. Like stars in the sky, we are the apple of his eye. God makes no mistakes. Nobody's body is the same. Like stars in the sky, we're his design. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made. We are not the same, we are not the same. We are all wonderfully, wonderfully made by you.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Hello friends, my name is Manny. Phew, that box was getting heavy. It's full of awesome Play-Doh supplies. Let's check it out. Wow, there's so much Play-Doh here. This makes me want to make something. I could make a star. Or I could make an octopus. Ooh, I can make a cake. There are so many cool things you can make with Play-Doh.
Who?
Hey, it's Ollie.
Hello, Manny. Who? Playing with Play-Doh, are you?
I am, Ollie. It's so much fun to create things with Play-Doh.
God made you creative. It's true. He made you other wonderful things, too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hi friends! I'm Carrie the dog walker and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. Look at this sweet card a friend sent to me. It's a picture of me and Stormy Jane. It looks just like us, with my green eyes and Stormy's white fur. Isn't it great, Stormy? That reminds me of our story today. Do you want to hear it? Okay, today's true story from the Bible is about the maker of all people. Who do you think that is? God, that's right. God made everyone, and He made us to be like Him. But no two people are the same. It's true. Some people are girls. Some people are boys. Some have red hair. Some have black or blonde or brown hair. God made us all in the most wonderful way. God created people with fingers and toes and ears and eyes. God created people with legs and arms and a mouth and teeth. God even gave us a brain to think with. Incredible, right? God is amazing, and He made us to be like Him. Now, speaking of our brains, God gave us very special brains. God made us to think and learn. It's true. There are so many things we can think about, like, how can I be a good friend? How do I tie my shoes? What do I want for snack today? We can think and learn new things every day. In fact, we're learning new things about God right now. And God made us so creative. Who here loves to dance? Who loves to sing? Who loves to build towers with blocks? That's because God made us creative like Him. And do you know one of the best things we can do with our amazing, wonderful, creative selves? Help others. Yes, God made us to help. We can help others by cleaning up, or painting get well cards, or even saying kind words. Isn't that awesome? God made us to be like Him, to think, to create, and to help. God made us all wonderful. Hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who made you wonderful?
God made me wonderful. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made you wonderful?
God made me wonderful. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made us wonderful. Hoo, hoo.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, God made us to be like Him. He made us to think, create, and help. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good! I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna think of a creative way to use Play-Doh to help my clubhouse friends. Maybe I'll make a bowl to hold things. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139:14. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalm 139:14.